Hey guys, okay, so I'm going over the third escape room. So here's where the video is going to go when it's completed. Here is a content refresher. That means if you don't understand the actual lesson we're doing, you can go back, review, and watch this. So I'll read the directions and then I'll go on and do an example with you. This one is pretty simple. You guys should go through this one fairly quickly. So this is escape room number 3, text structure. It says read the passage and then determine what text structure is being used. You will choose A, B, C, or D. In order to break the code, you will enter the letter of the answer you feel is correct, and that will also be one letter of the code. And so they give you an example here. I'm just going to show you. So when we go over text structures, we know that they're informational text structures, and that's why I have this video here for you to review, so go and watch it. But I'll do the first example with you. So it says, identify the text structure of the paragraph on the below. Now it gives us answer choices. A, problem and solution. B, description. C, compare and contrast. Or D, cause and effect. We can't answer that until we read this paragraph, though. So I'll read it for you guys. I'll give you this answer, and then you'll be able to do the rest. So the paragraph states, many people think that they can get sick by going into cold weather improperly dressed. However, illnesses are not caused by temperature. They are caused by germs. So while shivering outside in the cold probably won't strengthen your immune system, you're more likely to contract an illness indoors because you have a greater exposure. Because you will have a greater exposure to germs. So I have my answer choices here, A, B, C, and D. Now, problem and solution is when there is a problem and something is solved. So an example of that would be it's raining outside would be the problem. Solution, let's have indoor recess. Now, B, description. When we're talking about a description text, it means it's giving us lots of details and basically elaborate details that could help you picture it in your mind. This passage is not exactly doing that. It's not helping us picture it in our mind and giving us lots and lots of information. There's comparing and contrasting. Compare is talking about things that are the same, to contrast, talking about things that are different. I don't think it's that one either. I do think it's cause and effect. A cause is when something happens, effect is the result of the cause. It's not always solved, like in problem and solution. So an example of a cause and effect would be if you do not organize your Avid binder properly and you have a surprise binder check, what do you think that's the cause? What do you think the effect's going to be? You don't do so well on it. I'm going to put this into edit mode. I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to highlight my correct answer. Now, because the letter choice answer here is D, see how we picked D, cause and effect? That letter is going to be the first letter of the code. So I would go here and put it right there. You would do the same thing for number 2, 3, 4, and 5. And when you finish all of those, you will take this code, you can copy it and paste. All right, thanks guys.